Ever feel like your Google Play account is holding onto payment details you no longer need? Let's make sure it's clean and secure by removing an old payment method, the easy way. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You'll land on the main store page. Now, tap on your profile icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that pops up, you need to find and tap on Payments and Subscriptions. On the Payments and Subscriptions screen, you'll see a few options. Tap on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see all the payment methods currently saved in your Google Play account. Look for the one you wish to remove. Once you've found the payment method you want to delete, tap on it to access more options, or look for an Edit or Delete button directly next to it. The exact placement might vary slightly depending on your device and app version. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove this payment method. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental deletions. If you're certain, tap the Remove or Delete button to confirm your decision. And just like that, the payment method is gone from your Google Play account. This helps keep your financial information up to date and your account more organized. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a payment method from your Google Play account, giving you better control over your stored financial details.